time to rethink your tech stack, and I will answer this in a bit of a non-conventional way. Okay, what is AI really doing with, for, or with supply chains? Okay, all AI is doing is two things. It is making data more easily consumable. The second piece is it is enabling a lot of non-structured data to be used in a contextual manner to make a decision. For example, let's say you had a spreadsheet earlier, or let's say you were actually building a time slot management solution for your delivery time windows and your dock doors. Okay, what required 4 to 6 months of workflow building and automation can be done with a simple prompt today. Okay, so what AI is actually doing is it's enabling you to study data in a very unstructured manner and also build automation and actionability with a click of a button. Okay, so the key piece that you really need to think about when you are remodeling your tech stack is what is the type of data I have, what is the real timeliness of the data I have, and what is the trust of the data that I'm actually collecting on the ground. If you're able to answer these questions, then the application of AI on top of good data is almost 99% going to give you good results. But if you don't have this fundamental sanity of data, as I call it, then whatever AI you apply, whether it's today or you wait 3 years down the line for AI to mature 10x, you're probably not going to get true ROI out of any kind of redesign that you're doing on your supply chain tech stack.